Hi and welcome to HowTech Tutorials. In this video, we will show you how to create a drop-down list in Google Sheets. Drop-down lists enable you to format and control the data being entered in the Google Sheet. Let's say you are sharing a Google Sheet with each team member under a project so that they can update the status of the task themselves. We will be adding a drop-down list in this column here so that you can choose an update regarding their task from the predefined list of options. First of all, let's select all the cells where we want to add the drop-down list. Next, we will open up the Data menu and click on the Data Validation option here. Let's open up the Criteria drop-down menu. From here, you can either select the List from a Range option or List of Items option. Let's get started with the List of Items option for now. Next, let's enter all the possible values in this field here. Remember that for each option to be shown separately, every item we enter here should be separated by a comma. Hit Save and you can see the arrow icon appearing in the cells selected. Clicking on it will open up the drop-down menu. One of the drawbacks of adding a drop-down menu this way is that if you want to change any of the options appearing here, you would have to select all the cells, open the data validation option, and change the items from here. Instead, you can choose the List from a Range option. This will automatically pick up the options from the cells we select. This sheet over here contains all the options we want in the drop-down menu in a separate column. You can notice that each option is entered in a separate cell. So let's select all the cells where we want a drop-down menu to appear and open up the data validation window. Here, select the List of Range option. To select the range, click here and highlight the cells containing options for the drop-down menu. Let's click on OK and save the changes. Now you can see the drop-down list is appearing with the values in the range we selected earlier. Whenever you will change any item in the range here, the drop-down menu will automatically be updated. That's all. Would you like to know about any particular Google Sheets feature? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And make sure to press the bell button to be the first to know about our new videos.